Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully this chart looks extremely familiar to you at this point. We've been referencing it almost every day for about a week now. And again, it just lists some key words that you would see in basic math phrases that would help you write expressions. So we looked at a bunch of different words, and then we even took it a little step further because it can be tricky. There are words now that you know imply operation in numbers. So like these green words, tripled means to multiply, but it also means to multiply by the number 3. There were words that are highlighted yellow here, some in addition and some in subtraction, that require you to switch the order of construction, meaning that you switch the order that you write down the terms. So instead of x plus 4, it would really be 4 plus x. So there are words that order matters, and it is important to be able to recognize those. Then last, we looked at keywords that again mean a certain operation, but they also require you to use parentheses so that you have an order to how that expression would be solved out. So this keyword chart, again, is extremely important. I encourage you to use it as we look at today's activity. If you haven't already, I'm going to go ahead and take a minute, enlarge this pretty big. So take a picture, pause the video, and take a picture so that you can easily reference it on your phone when you are completing the assignment. Okay, so now I'm going to minimize it and kind of bring it down here. So let's talk about your assignment today. So you're going to be given 15 math phrases. I'm going to do the first 5 with you together. So A, you should get all of them correct, 1 through 5, but B, you kind of have a better understanding of the directions and you understand what I'm asking of you. So we're basically going to be going through these math phrases and we're not going to write out expressions, guys. I want to see if you can at least identify when they're all together which ones require nothing, just writing an expression. Those would be my basic words that are not highlighted in my chart. Then we're going to look at, can you identify the green ones, the ones that imply a operation and a number, the yellow ones that imply the operation and switch the order, and last but not least, those blue ones that, again, tell you what operation to use, but also require you to use parentheses. So let's take a look at the first 5 examples. Number 1 says a number added with 14. So the first thing you want to do is take a look for the key word. Here's my key word, added with. If I look at my key chart, here it is, added to. Now added to, added with, very similar in nature. So that is just a basic word that would mean addition. We don't need to do anything fancy. So no highlighting for number 1. So it may look like you didn't do anything. You're just simply not highlighting it. Number 2, 4 more than 10. So I want you to underline the key word. Find it on your chart. So if I look down here, oh, here's more than, and it is yellow. So this would mean that I need to switch the order of my construction. So I want you to grab your highlighter. More than should be underlined. And we would simply highlight it yellow. Okay, taking a look at number 3, 12 minus 5. So minus is my key word. If I come down to my chart, it is just a subtraction word. I would move left to right. I would construct my expression that way, but there's no fancy implied meaning. So you would just leave it with the underlined minus. Okay, looking at number 4, the difference between 12 and a number plus 7. So here is the difference. I see another keyword down there, plus. If I look, here is difference. Okay, you should notice the difference is blue. So that would mean I would need parentheses. So you're going to grab your highlighter. And I'm saying the difference between 12 and a number. Plus is just a regular, and I'll show you down here. Plus is just a regular word, so it actually doesn't need any highlighting. If you highlighted the whole thing blue, guys, that's okay too. But I'm really looking for only the parts to be blue that I need to be blue. This one actually has kind of a 2-part deal. Number 5, half of a number. So again, if I look at my keyword chart, here's the word half. It is green. Oh, sorry, I meant to actually underline half in my problem. That's part of it. And then we're highlighting green because it is an implied operation of division, but it also means that I need to divide by 2. So again, this is what your homework's going to look like. So take a picture of this. This is 1 through 5, and it shows you exactly what I'm expecting of you. And again, keyword chart is super helpful, guys, so please use that when you're looking at your assignment. Good luck. Reach out if you need help.